Okay, what's up, guys? It's Princess here of LovePrincessShop.com. And today, sweetie, let me sit down because I'm about to be standing up for a long time. But do not mind this little thing on my lip. I had like a blister. You guys seen that in my last video or whatever. It popped and then turned to a scab. And yeah, my hair looks so flat. But it's not a scab or whatever like that. But today I am getting ready for my restock. So I'm about to count inventory, make sure she sent me everything correctly, make sure I write it down, pick the names for the clothing, sort the clothing, sort out the pieces that I want my model tomorrow. And yeah, so it's gonna probably be a short video. It's not gonna be that much talking, anything like that. It's just like watching and seeing what I do behind the scenes of Love Princess Shop. So yeah, if you want to see what I do for my small business, my online boutique, then just keep watching the video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. My business Instagram is Shop Love Princess. My website www.loveprincessshop.com. My personal Instagram is _SoPrincess with 3 S. My Twitter is _SoPrincess. My Snapchat that I'm never on is daylove_Bella. And you're on my YouTube. So make sure you follow all of those and make sure you shop with me. We're gonna have a really good restock. There's gonna be some cute items. We have some items that's already on flash sale for like $25. You can find bathing suits, you can find a lot of beachwear. I'm speeding because I really need to get this stuff done because I really wanna get everything done tomorrow. Like I really wanna have the model do what she gotta do tomorrow. I wanna upload to the site tomorrow, and then I wanna announce the you know, when the restock is and when to be on the site. I'll do all of that by tomorrow night, by like 12. So that's technically Thursday. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Okay, I'm saying that. I'm gonna say that at the end. But all right, so just watch me work. Okay, so it is 8:16 p.m. May 18th, Tuesday. And I just came up with in my head that I'm going to restock on Friday. Friday is the 19th. Friday is the 21st. So I'm going to restock Friday. Because there's Memorial Weekend coming up. There's like, you know, some little holiday and stuff like, well, a holiday and stuff coming up. So I think it's best to restock this Friday. So I want to make my flyers and stuff tonight. This is going to be a long vlog. I feel like this is going to be a 2-day vlog. It is. I'm going to make it a 2-day vlog because I'm going to do everything on the back end today. Do pictures and stuff tomorrow. Update the website and stuff tomorrow. I'm going to try to make a flyer, an Insta flyer tonight, so that I can post it, so it gives like awareness and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm only down to one of the items that's going on there, and I have other stuff to do. But anyways, so I wrote down right here. So it just basically, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it just basically says like the year, the month, and I just put like a dash right here because I didn't really know the day. And it has like my brand name. It says summer restock, pink, black, cream, blue, red, small, medium, L, extra large. The 2000s velour set is basically what it says. And I'm about to like count everything, just make sure that I have everything like up to part. I'm gonna count everything. I'm gonna put it here. And at the end, at the very, very end, when I'm done with everything, I'm gonna go into my computer or on my phone and just go to me and my vendor messages and open up the invoice and just make sure everything is correct, like how I ordered it. And if it's not, then me and her got some problems. But yeah, I got that box right there today, and the box was like a little bit like open, like it fell or something, and one of the clothes in it, one of the pieces was wet. So luckily I was already like drying some clothes in the dryer, so I just threw it in there. Hopefully that was the only one. I don't get why it was wet or whatever, so hopefully everything's okay with that. But I did send her a picture and I did like let her know about it, so I'll text her. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up, be sure to check my site, and let's continue the video. I'm so tired, but I just laid all of these out. So these are all 2 dresses and they come in multiple colors. Far over to the left, we have yellow, black, like this light blue, red, white, pink, and then this royal blue. And then I sorted them by like sizing. So I was starting to run out of space, but over here is small, medium, large, extra large. And then across the small, medium, large, extra large, small, medium, large, extra large. Same thing here. That'll be extra large, large, medium, small, and so on. So that's how I did that. And I'm just gonna go over here and start plugging them in on my little paper. And it is 9:26 right now. Let me let that focus. So yeah, it's 9:26. That's me on my birthday. I look homeless right now, but that's me on my birthday. So yeah, I'm just plugging these things. I'm gonna plug these things in, and I'm trying to get done as soon as possible because I'm getting a little bit tired. I want to take a shower, and I don't want to stay up late because I've been staying up late for the past 2 days, and I've been waking up late and being tired throughout the day when that's not usually how I am. So I'm not trying to stay up late today, so I need to really get this done. Like I said, this might be a 2-day vlog where we still have some clothes to go through out of that box, out of this box, and this box is finished. These are just like some little tie-up pieces that the vendor sent to hold the packages down over there. So yeah, this is where I'm at. These are sorted, and we're just working, y'all. Okay, I'm literally aggravated, but it is 4:25 p.m. May 19th, and this morning, well, I didn't even wake up in the morning. I woke up at 1, and I was just like, first of all, behind time. My sleeping schedule been like messed up lately and stuff like that, so I woke up too late. And my friend, she's on her way, because if you guys don't know, my friend modeled for me and stuff like that. But she on her way. We wanted to do this man in the mall that do like pictures and stuff like that. I heard that he do it for cheap. This is just too much. Like I'll explain that later. But yeah, she's gonna come up to my house and we're just gonna do it at my house. Put up the ring light. We're gonna do it over there in that area. I just pulled out like the stuff that I want her to, well, not the stuff, but this is all of the stuff in here. Like it was too much, like packing and stuff. Like, it was just too much. So I put out like some bags or something, like just like little pieces that we might need and stuff like that. I'm aggravated, I'm annoyed, I'm sweating under my arms, and I'm annoyed. Like, I'm aggravated, like I'm irritated, like, but I'm just about to get this done. Okay, so you guys just watch, and yeah, I don't know, I'm annoyed. I'll explain why I'm annoyed, but I'm annoyed. Okay, so I just laid out like some accessories that I think that she may need, whatever, just like waiting and stuff. So it is 4:34, and we're just waiting until she arrives, and I'll flick the camera on, and then you guys will watch what we do. Okay? Hey, good morning, you guys. So it is day 2 of my life before my restock, and it is May 20th, 11:41 in the morning. And my friend texted me that she's up, whatever. I got up at 8 today. She got up at 10:39. So that's good. So she's up and ready. She's about to get breakfast, and then she'll be over here. And basically, it's probably gonna be the same thing, but I'm not gonna. I had breakfast. I'm not gonna probably record every like look she do. I don't know why, but that's too long. So I'm not gonna be recording every single look, but hopefully this is the last day. Hopefully it's only gonna be a 2-day vlog. That's what I'm pushing for, and then I can like edit up the pictures a little bit. I'm gonna take pictures with my camera today too, because I've just been taking pictures with my phone. But we up a little bit earlier today, so we should get more done today. And that is how it's looking back there. But we should really get more done today. I'm energized, I'm up, I'm ready, I feel good. And what is that? I feel good and I'm ready. And yeah, I feel like today's gonna be a good day. Hopefully we can get everything done. I could upload to the site tonight, and I could try to restock tomorrow. So I haven't announced the restock date to anyone. I'm just gonna pop out and do it, but I have been showing like little sneak peeks and stuff like that, so people been liking that or whatever. But yeah, so let's just get ready for today, and let's see what today brings. Hopefully we can get some really good shots, and everything just works out perfect for today. So yeah. Big ass, get that.